Hello, good evening, sir.
Hello, Mr. Vineet Jain. Good evening.
Good evening.
Congratulations on
Thank you.
securing All India first rank
Thank
in
you, sir.
Engineering
Thank you.
Services 2023 with the civil engineering paper.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
We are proud to say that you have taken classroom coaching for mains postal coaching, online test series, and interview guidance program with ACE Engineering Academy. Okay.
Yes.
Briefly introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Vineet Jain, and I basically belong from Pradesh, but currently I am living in Delhi. And I did my BTech from Indian Institute of Technology, Palakkad, in Kerala.
Okay. Kerala.
And I just passed out this year, and I gave GATE and engineering services. This GATE I got All India rank, and in engineering services I got All India rank.
First. Okay. So coming to your prelims preparation, so how you have attempted general studies, preparation strategy?
So actually, I divided my general studies into different subjects. Like it is already divided. So I just gave it the thought that what the subject is coming in my civil engineering department, and apart from that, some basic subject like ethics and standard quality and practices that can be just read once or twice and it will be done. So I those did those basic subject and like I left some subject like material science I left and ICT I left and some part of design drawing and safety also I left because I thought that it is not for me it is not worth giving much time to it because it will not be giving me yield. So I just focused on basic subjects and subjects that were coming for my civil engineer, like project management.
Say coming to technical paper, I think in particular civil engineering paper, so many numerical questions will be there.
Yes,
Little bit lengthy questions also will be there.
yes.
Without calculator, how you have answered them in the exam hall?
Sir, for this, I think my like continuous revision and solving PYQs and number of times. I don't like I've solved them so many times that I like remember every PYQ.
Uh,
That is the so I first go through every question and like within 1 hour I completed my complete technical paper. Only that question that were just look and tick so
okay.
did that. And then in left 2 hours, I completely devoted to numerical questions, and I solved each and every numerical question with my hand. And
Hmm.
after coming, as I checked, most of the numerical question that I did was completely correct. So if you have prepared like so hard that you can look and tick just in few seconds the non-numerical questions, then you will get ample time for solving the numerical. So it depends upon how many times you have solved the PYQ, how many times you have revised the subject. That will give you the marks.
Okay, Mr. Vineet, how you have balanced between negative marking and elimination technique?
So surely there will be negative marks. That is no doubt. In GS, my strategy was that I will be attempting more than 80 questions or 75 questions because if I attempt less, there is no prediction of what is the
Correct.
right answer. So in that part, we should take some guesses also. That is definitely there. But for technical, I try to do only those questions, but that were like sure. But I also did some 50-50 questions also. I took some chances on that because if I like I targeted above 300, but I don't know if I'm getting right now. But I'm hoping I will get 300. So I think negative marking will be there, but you have to take some guesses. Like if there is 50% chance, you should try it. And if you are having like less than 50% or less than 20% chance, then don't take wild guess. Take serious guess and try to do the elimination technique. For ESE, elimination technique really works very well.
What are your favorite technical subjects?
So first, for every civil engineer, soil mechanics is definitely there because it fetches you many marks in gate also
Yes.
and engineering.
Yes.
Then, sir, there is solid mechanics, this form, strength of materials.
Hmm.
Then all the structural subject except steel. I have less interest in steel actually.
But steel will have
Uh,
a very huge weightage, na? Steel structure will have huge weightage in prelims also, I think.
Yeah, for prelims it was good, but like some design questions I was very like
Uh-huh. Okay.
typical design questions I was not very good.
Uh-huh.
Then environmental engineering was good, but as I was targeting this exam, so almost all subjects we have to keep favorite so that we can get.
See, with respect to tunnels, harbors, airports, etc., have you prepared for those subjects?
Yes, sir, I prepared.
To what
I
depth
have
you have prepared? Each and everything, or there
no,
is
no,
a
no.
limitation?
So, like if some basic question is asked in airport, like what is turning radius, there is some formula, what is Orenzov equation, that
Mm.
basic thing. In PYQs, I tried like most of the
Yes.
PYQs were out of the box, but I just gave a glance once or twice
Mm.
because if some easy questions and repeated questions were there, it will not
Correct.
be good to leave them. So I tried to complete that.
So, mains preparation strategy and how you have attempted the questions in the exam hall.
And actually, I was not much confident during the mains time because I was in college. But
Mm.
I didn't lose hope and just completed my PYQs multiple times. And the mains class notes that I prepared, went through those questions again and again. And by God's grace, maybe this time mains paper was a little bit easy, I would say. So for question attempts are like I just tried that I'm getting almost two questions from like two parts from each question I'm able to attempt. Then after that, it was easy to solve.
Mr. Vinith, you said that you are in the college. Have you cracked it in the first attempt? That is when you are in the final year?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wow, great. I think you
Thank
are one of the few. Generally, in the final year, it is very difficult to crack engineering science. You are great. Have you written the gate exam also?
yes, sir.
What was your rank in the gate?
11th, sir. 11, 1, 1.
11th. Great.
Yes.
So, what is your means? What is your style of preparation for interview?
Uh, Sir, for
Means with
interview,
respect to current affairs.
yes, sir. Sir, actually, there were some hot topics that were going on around that time. Some earthquakes were there in North India, and also my BTech project was on landslide. So I
Mm.
prepared my BTech project well. Also, like I am currently doing job in Engineers India Limited. So I prepared my work. Some
Okay.
basic questions I prepared and I wrote myself answer to them in my notebook and went through them. Also, mock interviews helped really well. Gave 7 to 8 mock interviews, uh, so it
Okay,
helped
current
really well.
affairs also related to your domain subject and
Yeah,
your
yeah,
job.
yes.
See, in the interview, suppose you could not understood or you are unable to answer any question. What was your response?
Sir, I just said sorry, sir. I'm unable to recall right now.
Okay.
Like that.
So मुझे समझ में नहीं आया सर सॉरी
Nah,
बोलेंगे.
nah. I didn't take wild guess.
No wild guess.
No.
No wild. Any questions related to your personal life means parents, profession, your places of study, etc.
Sir, they asked me about some of my hobby actually in return, and also my BTech project. They asked uh, general elective subject in my college that I have taken. They also asked that what is a general. I told airport engineering is my general elective subject. So they asked something about airport. So it is kind of they asked questions from the answer that you are giving. So if you are already prepared some of the important points, then you can drive the interview in your way. And not all the answers need to be correct. If you are giving 60 to 70% correct answer, then it is very good. Uh,
What is your age? 21,
uh,
22.
22 just in this year
20.
22.
So you will retire as the head of your department wherever you join because you are the youngster and the two first time. Okay, great,
Yes, sir.
great. So, what is your suggestion to juniors? Means I think you might have started your preparation in the second year or third year.
Third year, sir, yes.
Third year. See, you are from IIT. So, general. So a rural engineering college or category 3 student college students. In which year you suggest to start preparation?
Sir, actually, college doesn't matter. It's the mindset actually that matters because in IIT also many students don't know how to draw SFD BMD. That is the actual truth. So it's the mindset of the students that matters. So I think if you are self motivated and you are motivated that you will definitely crack this exam, then I think it is not that tough actually, because there are limited number of resources that we need to follow, and there is a specific plan that we need to follow. We have to complete our syllabus, we have to give test series, and we have to do the revision. That's all the three things that you need to do. If you do these things correctly, then definitely you will succeed in any exam, maybe it GATE or engineering services or any. So be self motivated and like follow what your teachers are saying, and try to complete the syllabus few months before the exam so that you get ample time for revision and doing the test.
See, these previous year questions, how many times you might have revised the previous year questions?
More than 6 7 times, sir. All clearly.
More than 6 7 times. So any repetition chances are there for previous question? Same question may repeat.
Sir, actually, I just did PYQs and test series. I did nothing, any third source I didn't. These two
Okay.
sources were there. So for me, it works. So I think for everyone also it can work if they follow that religiously. For
Okay.
ESE, engineering services.
Yeah. So whether gate preparation is useful for engineering services also?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I did. I also gave GATE in my third year.
Yes.
Uh,
In the third year.
I Yes,
Okay.
sir.
You
Sir, I
got
got
11th
20
rank in the
twenty
third
eighth
year or
rank.
final year?
Final year, sir. Got 28th
Ah.
rank in third year.
In the third year, what was your rank?
28, sir.
Huh?
28, 28.
Wow. You are not an ordinary person. Congratulations, Vineet. Huh?
Thank you, sir.
Convey our pranams, namaste to your parents.
Thank you, sir.
God
Sure.
bless you, beta. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.